Hi there, in this quick video we'll be taking a look at this BRENNENSTUHL socket set, whatever these things are called, extension cord, whatever. And I got this one, never heard of this brand until now, but I got it because, as you can see, it kind of matches the wall where I need to use it, so it's much better than a black one or a white one or any other color. And it also has this cool green switch, which I like more than the red ones. Okay, so hopefully this is also good. What is important to me, that inside of this, which is protected, it has child protection, as you can see. These big ones with grounding fit properly, and also really thin ones fit in the same good manner. We'll see about that. And maximum 3500 watts. So let me open it from this, and I will basically directly put it to work and get back to you. And it's opened up. First impression, switch has extremely nice feel. For me, that's really important. If a switch doesn't have a nice feel to it, most likely internally it's not a good switch. So that is good. These things, took them out. No idea what it's written on this. I'm not going to try and translate it. I do know a bit of German, but not enough to understand exactly what's happening there. But yeah, I think this is a standard device, so shouldn't be that much of a problem. PP, and you cannot open it up again. It's completely sealed from factory. In here we have the cable strain release, which is interesting. So basically the cable is locked deep in there, and it's not an external release that makes you not be able to bend this really quickly. You can actually bend it because the strain release is being done in reverse. So the cable is deep in there, and then the hole gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Never saw this, but I need to say, really interesting. The plastics overall seem really good, really nice fit. So yeah, my first impression, this thing is good. I like it. And also it has this, which are kind of little feet, that it can stay also nicely tucked on its side. Not many can do this. So yeah, good on you. Okay, I like this. Nice design, nice color, interesting release right here for the cable strain. Okay, I think the contacts will also be good. I have high hopes. Internally we have three 1.5 square millimeter wires, which is in line with the power. Cable is 1.5 meters and it's perfect for my needs. I didn't want a longer cable. Most likely they have models with longer cables, but for me it was not necessary. Overall, cable is thick but decently flexible. So yeah, for me, good feel in the hand of the materials, not Chinese-like quality. So yeah, I like this thing. For now it seems good. And double-sided tape into position under the TV, not moving at all, blending quite well in this environment. Yes, this ends up being this yellowish, weirdish color, because in there it does not flicker this much in real life. It does flicker just a tiny bit because it's a neon type of little tiny bulb in there, almost no power consumption at all, but it does make light. But anyway, it's weirdish color because normally it's orange or something like that, but when it goes through this, it kind of ends up looking like that. But yeah, I like it. Anyway, and these are extremely thin, but they go in here extremely well. They fit really snug, a really satisfying clunk to them when they connect. So this is a really good product in my opinion. I really like it. And yes, these are the wires for the tiny fish tank right here. So I want to be able to shut everything off completely when cleaning it and stuff like that. So where's the fishy? Hey, fishy, where are you? Here's the little fishy. Hi there. So yeah, really nice product. Okay, so this has been in use for at least half a year. The switch is freaking amazing, contacts are really good, and it kind of blends nicely with what I have in here. There are not too many gray extension cables like this, so this is actually perfect, and the TV timing off. So yeah, that's about it for the video. I could not find any single fault with this. It's just awesome for what it is and perfect for my needs. So if anybody has any other questions over the years, feel free to ask in the comments. Check out my other videos, subscribe, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.